Hey everybody, SoIt'sSparrow, welcome back to my channel where I am doing an empties video. This is not a lot of makeup empties. Why? Because makeup just lasts forever. I've had this bronzer for like 2 or 3 years. This is all I got down. I just have pan. It's like, and then I always buy new stuff, but I do have empties, and I'm really excited because I get to show them to you. So let's get started. The first empty I have is my Simple Skin Cleansing Facial Wipes. I use these all the time. I showed you guys them in my Kiss video, my Keep It As Simple as Sparrow video. I told you guys these are the wipes I like to use on my face in the morning and at night. At night to remove my makeup, and in the morning to remove oil or anything from my skin that I might have picked up during the night. These are amazing. Like these, if you can't cleanse your face, use this. Like, I love these so much. And I think I just ordered like 3 more on Amazon, and I think I just got them, so I'm super excited because I get to use them again. I don't like the exfoliating ones. Those are annoying. They're really gruff and gritty. I don't suggest them unless you like physical exfoliation, and which I kind of don't advocate for that, because physical exfoliation tends to kind of leave you looking, it makes little micro abrasions in your skin, which can make you look older over time. So, but anyway, but these I like. I also suggest, pay attention to places like Target. They're like buy 4, get a $5 gift card or something like that. You might be able to get some money back, or you can buy them, I would buy them on Target with the gift card and then Ebates, and they get your Ebates cash back from Target. If you haven't used Ebates before, they give you cash back for online shopping. I always suggest it and recommend it. I have a link to Ebates if you want to, sign up. It's in my channel profile page, linked there for you to just go click, and you can sign up and you get $10. I also get $10, but it's more about you. This is about you. So I'm kind of mad because I can't find the empty version of this, but I did finish a pot, like a whole pot of my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This is my now second one, and I'm a good way through it if you guys can see that. No pan as of yet. Like, I love the NARS concealer. This is soft matte I use in my eye area, so to set my eye and to do my under eye concealing. And then for the rest of my face, because I have used up one of these, is my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. These are both in the shade Caramel, which is medium dark number 2. These are like my concealer everything. So I'm actually getting to the end of my Radiant Creamy. I have taken the stopper out of it, and I can actually see like the bottom of the package. So we're almost done with this bad boy as well. I'm super excited because these are the first like products that I've loved so much that I'm actually like powering through them. So that's like amazing for someone like me who has trouble finishing products in the first place. So I want to bring those up. On to the next product, which is in this bag that I got from work, Strong Like Coffee. Okay, so this is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. This is like a moisturizer you can put on your hair. It's a hair moisturizer that I like to put on my hair like after cleansing, and then I mix it in with my spray bottle for when I like re-wet my hair to restyle it each day. This is so good. It smells like marshmallows, I feel. Like candy or marshmallows. It's so good, and I love this product. I like this brand a lot too. It's very moisturizing, and it's very like comfortable to use. It is a little bit pricey. Same thing with the Simple Wipes. Target sometimes has where if you buy a couple of products, you get a gift card, stack it with Ebates, make as much money back as possible on your spending purchases. Buying it on Amazon I don't recommend, because you don't know if it's going to be the legitimate product. Even if the little shop is supposed to be Camille Rose Naturals, I don't trust them. So I buy all my stuff directly from stores that are like aligned with the manufacturer. The next product is from the same brand. This is the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. It's basically the conditioner. This makes your hair feel like butter. Like, you put a little, like, there's some still left in it, but I can't, every time I try to get it out I have trouble, so I just bought a new one. you take it and like your hair is wet after you wash it, and you put it in and you let it, and it feels like your hair just melts into, and you can just run your fingers through it. It's amazing. I love this, like these products. The last one is the, where's the label? And then the last one is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. So this is like my system right now. I gotta buy another one of this. I actually am out of it. This is my second jar of this. My first jar is of these. I have my seconds in there, and then I gotta buy a third of this. This one is about, so this one is like 2 or 3 uses for me because I have long and thick hair. So what you do is you coat your hair, you wet your hair, you coat your hair in it, and you leave it up for like a couple hours. And then, or like, I don't know how long you leave yours on, but I leave mine on for like a couple of hours just to make sure I get all of the nutrients I can, and wash it out. Hair feels super soft. Then I cleanse it. I have, oh God, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna run to the bathroom and grab it. So I have the Blueberry Curls, and it's like the reparative wash or restorative hair wash, and I use that, and I'm on my second bottle of that as well. I'll put like a picture of it on this side. And I use that as like my cleanser. Then I'll go and I'll put in the conditioning custard to condition my hair, and then rinse that, leave that in for a few minutes while I shower and wash my body. And when I come out of the shower, I put on the Curl Love Moisture Milk to really give my hair as much moisture as possible, because it just gets really dry really easily. And I just need some kind of sealant, so I'm still shopping through their brand looking for something to seal the moisture in for a long time. Usually people use the Lock Message, which is a leave-on, an oil, and a cream. I don't have an oil or a cream yet, so I'm still looking for those kinds of products. So if you guys have some recommendations, please go ahead and leave those in the comments. I love hair care recommendations because I love trying new stuff. I found a brand I really like, but you know, sometimes there's some good stuff. Another brand that I like that I was using products from, but I don't have the Empties anymore because I did throw them away, and I do apologize about that, is from Pantene Gold series. I'm gonna put a picture on this side. But the stuff from the Pantene Gold collection is affordable, on the same promotions that I was telling you about before, where you buy a couple, you get a gift card, do the Ebates. Again, the link is in my channel page. It's at the top underneath the header. And I really think that those are like, if you're new to being natural and you want a series of products or a lot of things, they really do hydrate the hair. I just feel like the Camille Rose, I like the smell more. And I feel like some of them are a little bit more moisturizing for me. But if I ever, like, say I lost my job and I just need to buy a hair care system, or if I need hair care products right now and I don't really have any money, but I need them, like I lost all my hair care products, I would replace it with the Pantene Gold series until I can afford to buy Camille Rose again, just because I really love the Camille Rose, but I do know that the Pantene system does work. Alright, this will be the last hair thing, and this one's a hair dye, which you technically always use up, but I wanted to talk about it. So this is the Lunar Tides hair dye. It's the color that my hair has been in a couple of the past videos, where it was really dark. It's fading out into the color I really wanted it to be, which is like a gray, brown, purplish kind of color, which is like the color I was going for. This is vegan, it's handmade in Seattle, Washington. I bought these off of, you can either buy them from Amazon or Etsy. The shipping on Amazon, however, is cheaper. And it's just a really nice hair dye company that's like a small brand. I also like the fact that their hair dye is actually really liquidy, so you can use less to do more hair. Since I have long, thick hair, again, I have trouble with the fact that like stuff just takes a really long time to put it all over. This one looked like it just does it really easily. I only needed 2 jars of this to do my whole head, and I have dark roots, but I did put it on my roots just to make sure everything kind of had the same tone. And it's been about over a month, and I still do have color in my hair, but it is washing out. Like, I'm seeing the blonde start to come back here. But I truly think that this is actually a really decent product, and I will be repurchasing. I'm not sure if I'm repurchasing this color. I like the color, but I could get another one. So I'm thinking about it. If you guys have a color like idea that you think I should do for my hair, I like warm colors. I really don't like cool colors. I'm not gonna dye my hair green. The closest I got to green was blue. I've done red, I've done purples, more purples, pinks on accident, and then blue. on accident because I thought it was a purple. I don't know if I'm willing to keep going into the spectrum because I really like purple. Like purple kind of, it's just my vibe. This is my childhood bedroom that I'm filming in. The walls are purple. My uncle helped me, well, I painted it. He told me to paint it. I stopped painting it. And then he finished it because he's a good uncle. Hey, look, free fact about me. But yeah, so I don't know what color I want to really do next. If you guys have suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Alright, skincare empties. First things first is obviously the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. This is my favorite toner in like the whole wide world. Obviously, it was recommended by Jackie Ina to all of her subscribers. This shit is the bomb. I'm sorry. It's the bomb diggity. It's the best. I love it. I think it's the best. It goes in your pores. It gets all the stuff out of your pores. It leaves you glowing. I get as little acne as possible with it. I think it's like the best product in the whole wide world. You can't tell me nothing. I'm sorry. You really, really can't. The next thing is the Pixi Skin Treats, again, the Overnight Glow Serum. So for a while, I was really like in love with this serum from Drunk Elephant, where it was like an AHA and a BHA, which are two different types of acids that you use to exfoliate your skin. And this is very similar. This is a concentrated exfoliating gel. So this one has glycolic acid in it. So I love glycolic acid in my skincare. It increases your cell turnover so that you have less dry, flaky skin, and you're just left with glowing, radiant skin to put underneath your makeup. I love it. I only use it at night though. Do not use it in the mornings. You need to be using sunscreen if you're using a lot of glycolic acid like I do. Like I mentioned before, I have my skin prep routine on YouTube, one of my Keeping It Simple series. I definitely recommend you check that out because that will help you get into the routine of wearing sunscreen, especially if you're going to be using glycolic acid like I do. It's really, really important. I'm using Black Girl sunscreen, so if you want one that's going to be for black girls, doesn't give you flashback or any kind of stuff like that, I would recommend that one. And the last empty I have is another skincare, and this one is from Bahi Cosmetics. So Bahi is a black-owned brand on Twitter. It is a all-natural skincare brand, and this is their Sunflower Sweet Serum. It's their top-selling item. It is everything that everyone said it was. It's so amazing. I'm so sorry. I can't tell you that it sucks because it's amazing. So the Sunflower Sweet Serum is essentially a serum you put on. You can put it on day, you can put it on night. It's hydrating. It leaves your skin super moisturized. It combats acne. And honestly, like, as it here and here, when I was using this, because I've been out of it for a little while, when I was using this every day, I rarely got zits. I'm getting them back now because this isn't in my routine because I haven't ordered a new one yet, which I'm probably just going to go do now when I get off of this video. But this is so good, and this lasts you about 2 to 3 months. So I definitely think it would be worth the price. And then also, since it's a black-owned brand, they do have other products, and they restock, I believe, every Friday, they said on Twitter to me. So they're super good at just hyping you up on Twitter. You be wearing, if you just I put up an ugly picture of myself wearing the sunflower sweet serum, saying I was about to go to the hair salon. They still reposted me. I'm sorry, but if that ain't a stand brand, if that's not a brand to stand, I don't know what is. So here's my NARS Radiant Creamy Empty, just completely decimated. I love this concealer. Like, it's so amazing for my under eye area. Then I also have this empty of my Elf Clear Brow Gel. This is just good. Like, the only thing is I'm not buying another one right now because the brow gel I'm using is something even older than this one, and I'm just trying to get through it is all. But so this is another empty. And then I love this brow pencil. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil. The only problem with it is I need to remember not to try to fill my whole brow with it, because when I do, I use the whole thing up so fast. When I use it to like sculpt hairs in the front of a brow, like whatever's left on this, just draw little hair-like strokes in the front of the brow, and then fill it with my regular brow pencil, my other brow pencil, my Too Faced Chocolate Brownies pencil, I can get this really defined hair-like, but it's a really nice pencil, like, for that. But filling your brow, like, on a lazy day, yeah, but you waste the pencil faster. It's good if you switch to the other one, the thicker, more pigmented one. and then use this for hair-like strokes and detail work, like your tail or the front part where you have the hair-like strokes. But anyway, yes, that was my empties video. Those are all of the empties that I currently have, or I know that I did recently. I just can't find the packages, which means I threw it away because that's what I was supposed to do. But you know, I should probably get better at that. But yeah, so what did you finish recently? Let me know down in the comment section below. Also, you know, leave down below hair color suggestions. I'm always down with that. I always want to know what's a good idea. Also, what do you think of the lashes? Like, I'm looking in the viewfinder and I look cute, and in my mirror here I look cute. But like, what if I don't look cute? Do I look cute? I'm joking. Anyway, also if you want to talk to me more, I'm on Twitter and Instagram at SoIt'sSparrow. Always posting, always talking, always doing something. But yeah, I'm over there. And then go ahead and subscribe to this video if you like anti-hauls, first impressions, reviews, and other types of videos kind of like this one. I'll be here, you'll be here, we all gonna do the thing. Boy, out my camera like playing games with me anymore. And yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.